Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have a special video. We take a trip to Dinosaur Mountain Adventures. Let's check out each dinosaur. Let's start with this dinosaur. This is a Stegosaurus. A very colorful model. This is a raptor from Playmobil. Here we have a Spinosaurus. It looks pretty cool. Here in the back we have Parasaurolophus. Let's put it back. I spot a T-Rex here. This is the badge from the Good Dinosaur. Here we have a dinosaur from Collecta, Agustinia. Now let's check out other zones. Here we have an Allosaurus with articulated mouth. Here we have another dinosaur from Collecta. This is a Lorinosaurus. I see a huge dinosaur here. This is a Tyrannosaurus. It looks terrible with these powerful jaws. I spot a Pteranodon here on the top of the mountain. This is the Thunderclap from the Good Dinosaur movie. This is the Apatosaurus Arlo. Very nice figure. Here I spot a Stegosaurus from Collecta. It looks pretty cool. What do you say about him? We are done here. Let's move forward. This dinosaur, it's a figure from Collecta, Backless Peanuts. Here I see a Triceratops, a small one. I love the paint and the color on his back. Do you see what I see? It is a cool Amargasaurus. And there in the back we have Dilophosaurus, also from Collecta. Let's move on other areas. This is Dilophosaurus, a big one. Let's see the Velociraptor here at the waterfall. This is also a figure from the Good Dinosaur movie. I love the paint and the color. This is an Ankylosaurus from Collecta. Great details, and he has a powerful tail. Let's see the dinosaur from the waterfall. Here we have highly detailed Triceratops. It is very cute. it looks angry. Here we have an Ankylosaurus from Collecta. This is a Pteranodon, a very big one. Looks almost real. Let's take a closer look at this figure from Collecta. This is an Pharaolopus. Figure is from Collecta. It is a Lugops. Here we have Ceratosaurus. He has nice textures. And he is very scary. And the last dinosaur, it's an Allosaurus.